Oncology TV at ASCO 2015. I'm Thomas Baldrick, joined now by Dr. Meletios Dimopoulos from the University of Athens. He is here to talk about the Phase 3 study Endeavor. Thank you, sir, for stopping by.
Thank you very much.
So, tell us about this study and why you decided to do it.
Yes, this is a large multi-center trial which was sponsored by Onyx, and it compared in the relapsed setting of multiple myeloma two regimens: the standard of care, which is a combination of Bortezomib with Dexamethasone, and the investigational arm consisted of Carfilzomib with Dexamethasone. So the idea was to have a head-to-head comparison of two proteasome inhibitors and to see whether Carfilzomib and Dexamethasone might be more effective than Bortezomib and Dexamethasone in this setting of multiple myeloma.
What methods are you using in conducting the study?
Yeah, this study included a large number of patients, more than 900 patients, and the primary endpoint was progression-free survival, with secondary endpoints being response rate, overall survival, efficacy, and quality of life.
What are highlights of the data you've achieved?
Yeah, the main data was a significant improvement of PFS in favor of Carfilzomib and Dexamethasone with a hazard ratio of 0.5 and a median PFS increase from 9 months with Bortezomib and Dexamethasone to 18 months with Carfilzomib and Dexamethasone. Furthermore, there was a higher response rate in patients treated with Carfilzomib and Dexamethasone, whereas toxicity was essentially similar in the two groups of patients.
Based on these findings that you've gotten, what's next on the horizon?
First of all, I believe with this data and with a prior study called ASPIRE, which included a comparison of Carfilzomib, lenalidomide and Dexamethasone versus lenalidomide and Dexamethasone, Carfilzomib will be granted approval in the European Union in the treatment of relapsed myeloma. We know that this drug is approved in the United States for the treatment of patients with relapsed refractory disease, but we believe that with these two studies, the approval will include patients with earlier phases of the disease. Also, there are ongoing trials that evaluate Carfilzomib in the frontline setting of multiple myeloma, and I believe that Carfilzomib is a very potent proteasome inhibitor which is increasing the depth of response and prolonging PFS and eventually the survival of myeloma patients.
Very good, doctor. We thank you for your time.
Thank you
We wish
very
you
much.
Continued success.
Thank you.